Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Simple English Learning. I'm Anne.
And I'm David. We are so excited to dive into today's topic, especially for all you globetrotters out there. Do you panic the night before a trip, wondering if you forgot your toothbrush or your phone charger?
Ugh, the packing stress is real. That's why today we're tackling the essential conversation, packing for a trip, talking about luggage and essentials. This dialogue is packed with all the vocabulary you need, from types of luggage to must-have travel items.
We've created a fun, relatable chat between Anne and me as we discuss how to pack smart, what counts as a carry-on, and all those little tricks to make sure your suitcase isn't overweight.
So if you want to master the vocabulary for packing and stop stressing before your next vacation, stick with us. Get ready to pack your bags and your English skills. Let's get started.
Hey, David, how is the packing going for your weekend getaway?
Oh, hi, Anne. It's going surprisingly well, actually. I'm trying to be a minimalist packer this time.
Good luck with that. I always end up taking 3 times what I need. Are you checking a bag or just taking a carry-on?
I'm aiming for just a carry-on and my personal item, hopefully. I really want to avoid the baggage claim queue.
That's the dream. Do you have one of those soft-sided duffel bags or a hard-shell roller suitcase?
I'm using my small 4-wheeled roller suitcase. It fits perfectly in the overhead bin. What about you? What's your usual luggage strategy?
For a short trip, I always use my backpack as my personal item and a small weekender bag as my carry-on.
That's smart. What are the absolute essentials you never leave home without?
Definitely a portable phone charger. That's non-negotiable. And I always pack a universal adapter for international travel.
Oh, the universal adapter is a great call. I almost forgot to put mine on my packing list.
See? That's why we need this chat. What about toiletries? Are you using travel-sized containers?
Yes, absolutely. I've pre-filled my little bottles with shampoo and conditioner. I don't want to run afoul of the liquid restrictions at security.
Wise move. Remember, they have to fit into that single quart-sized clear plastic bag.
I know, it's always a tight squeeze. What clothing items are you bringing?
I'm sticking to versatile layers and focusing on neutral colors. Everything has to mix and match easily.
That's a good strategy for saving space. Are you rolling your clothes or using packing cubes?
I swear by packing cubes. They are a game changer for organization and compressing bulky items like sweaters.
I've heard great things about those. Maybe I should invest in a set.
You definitely should. They help you maximize every inch of space in your luggage.
Okay, I'll add them to the shopping list. Are you bringing a jacket? The weather forecast is a little unpredictable.
I'm bringing a light, waterproof jacket that I can roll up really small. I always try to wear my bulkiest shoes on the flight to save room in the bag.
That's the oldest trick in the book. I'm wearing my hiking boots for that exact reason.
Perfect. What about your important documents? Do you keep them separate?
I keep my passport, boarding pass, and any necessary visas in a small travel wallet that stays in the zipped inner pocket of my backpack.
Safety first. You definitely don't want those misplaced.
Exactly, and I always make digital copies of everything just in case.
That's being super organized. Are you packing any books or just using an e-reader?
Just my e-reader this time. Books take up far too much precious space and weight.
True. We have to stay under that weight limit, don't we?
We do. I'm always terrified of the scale at the check-in counter.
Me too. Getting hit with an overweight baggage fee is the worst way to start a vacation.
It absolutely is. I feel much more confident in my packing now after this checklist.
Great. Did you remember the small first aid kit, band-aids, pain relievers, etc.?
Oh, good point. That's going straight into the side pocket. Thank you for the reminder.
My pleasure. Safe travels, David. Don't forget to lock your suitcase.
Will do. Thanks for the last-minute packing consultation. See you when I get back.
Have fun. Bye.